back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video it is all about this unit from ULAHAIR. As always, you guys should know this by now. I love to share with you guys all the amazing goodies that I receive in my box. Now this is the beautiful unit. This is a 13x5 glueless lace wig, and it did come pre-plucked, which I loved how they did the pre-pluck. It looks so good. This unit comes with an elastic band at the back, which you can also adjust it if you want it tight or loose, which I love this elastic band because obviously it's a glueless lace wig, so you really don't need to glue this unit down if you don't want to. And it also comes with two combs on the side, one all the way at the bottom. Now I don't care for combs no more, so I just go ahead and cut them off, only the two on the side, but I usually keep the one at the bottom. Now to tint the lace, I'm going to go ahead and use this Ebin tinted lace mousse. I love this foaming mousse. It is amazing, like amazing to tint the lace. A little does go a long way, but for some odd reason, I usually go heavy-handed with this product, but it does a really good job to tint the lace, and this thing is so affordable, you can't even beat the price for it. So if you're still struggling on tinting the lace or still looking for a product out there, this is one that I would recommend. In case you get that Ebin mousse, make sure you set it because you don't want it to transfer to your skin when you have this unit on your head. Trust me, you don't want that life. And then after you set it with the foundation powder, I usually go ahead and grab this Wonder Lace Bond by Ebin. It is amazing. I spray it all over the lace just for the product to stay on the lace and not transfer to my skin again. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some wand curls to this unit. Now this hair is super long. It is 22 inches. And as always, I'm going to have all the links in the description box. And I do also have a discount code. So stick until the end of this video so you guys can know what the discount code is, so you can get some money off of your purchase today. Okay, but this hair does take heat amazing. Do y'all see how beautiful this unit looks and turned out? So I decided to just do a side part. Wanted to take a break from middle parts, but I'm gonna insert a few pictures on this video so y'all can see how beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this wig, y'all. I took some bomb pictures in the car and I was like, oh yeah, this is bomb. The lace is amazing. The knots are invisible, so you can't even see them, y'all. When I tell y'all this wig is just amazing. It is also lightweight, by the way. And in terms of the lace space, it is much bigger on the sides, so you do get a lot more room compared to other companies. And the wig does lay pretty flat for the most part. I mean, it was just pretty easy. And I honestly, I love how lightweight this wig is. So as always, check the description box for all the details. I do have a discount code for you guys. It is EK92 and you get $15 off your wig purchase, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this wig turned out. I am just in love, obsessed, good quality. It's a 10 out of 10 for me.